Hello all. Let's create one quotation using the Shipzy Export Software. So I'm just going to hit the quotation and I'm just hit add new. So I'm creating one new quotation. The serial number is automatically set from the masters, and if you want to visit how this is set, you can visit the masters. Under masters you will find one setting option. So go on to settings and find for quotation prefix and quotation suffix. So from here this number is coming. Let's fill this form one by one. So I'm filling the form. So here I filled all the necessary details most required for the quotation creation, and I'm hitting save. So on hitting save, system will automatically generate the PDF for me, and let's check what's I getting out. So I'm clicking on quotation and see, this is how my quotation is created. Right now I just added single product and some details. So as per details it is visible. The more details you will add, it will be auto set in a PDF. So this is how I can create one quotation, and you can directly PDF from here, and also you can update the quotation from here. Thank you.